The pros and cons of light hardwood floors for your house. Dear friends, Lightwood floors are a timeless trend in interior design. It visually enlarges the room and also brightens it. So it works well even in a small space. Light hardwood flooring is mainly popular for its bright, modern, and natural appearance. When installed and finished properly, it can make any room appear spacious. Here are the pros and cons you should be aware of before investing in it. The pros of light hardwood floors. Opens up your space. Lighter wood colors make a space feel bigger than it actually is. This is because light colors bring in natural light and airiness to a space. Your decor is the focal point. Floors with a lighter color are beautiful but subtle. This means that your light wood floors will allow your furniture, eclectic decorations, and wall colors to stand out more. Matches most design aesthetics. Light woods can match or complement several different design styles. Whether your go-to style is rustic, modern, or traditional, light floors will go with it. Easy to clean. Light flooring hides dirt and small flaws, making it easier to maintain. A casual feel. Light hardwood floors offer a more casual look, making them perfect for low maintenance and cozy homes. The cons of light hardwood floors. Too light. Floors that are too light, especially in a room with light-colored walls, can wash out the space completely. This is especially true for rooms with a lot of natural light. More fading. Certain light flooring, including lighter hardwood floors, can fade faster than their darker counterparts. Avoid too lighter colors. If you choose to put a light floor in your kitchen, be sure it goes well with your cabinets, because if you have light wood cabinets and light flooring, they may not mesh well together and wash out the space. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Laud's channel How to Make My House.